Hello all, welcome to our channel. One of the important questions is called your Google Search Console. Your website will be crawled but not index your web pages. If you go to the website, Ashok Computers, anyone looking for CCTV services, laptop services, anybody we can contact this particular website, biometric. So many they will be here. What are the providings? And this website will be started new. So major issues is called Google Search Console. If you go to your Google Search Console, the option will be pages. We have 66 will be index, 1037 will be is a not index. But what are the major issues called? Are submitted pages. What are the pages submitted here? Index will be 13, not index will be 403. So we can go with this option. Here, what are the showing? Crawled, correctly not index. It will be 0. Will be discover currently not index. When you click this option, where is the particular page? Check it out. The page will be here. What are the page you have? This will be click for search option. We have to give the option will be request in the index. Why? Because this page will be valid by the sitemap.xml. So what are the map will be detected by the sitemap? The URL will be index will be request into option. The option will be your inspection. There is crawl, not index. That is just step one. This will be discovered, will be not index. So that is called I submit the URL. Using will be request index option. After this done, you can click for text live URL option. So how we can engage this pages will be into fast. So that is the purpose. We have to use option call. We can indexing the pages and one by one we can use the page option. Setting will be done by your Google Search Console. Page option, we can do this particular index. What are the issues you are facing? They will rectify, everything will be here. So everything will be properly done. So this will be in this particular version will be page was fetched successfully. This is the individual pages index compulsory mandatory Google Search Console option. Compulsory go to pages. What are the pages? Submitted pages are there. Which is a valid page? We can check it out. Not index pages. And those options selected will be here. Which is redirection will be 00. Only discover correctly not index. Check it out and do this one by one. Anything will be here. The check will be option. Click this one. Page is available. Simple option. We have to click for in this. Duplicate. Google choose different canonical URL. Now click in this. Request to index. After that, text live URL option. So these are the steps you can compulsory follow each and every website to rectify this particular page index issues. So if any further question about the Google Search Console, compulsory contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.